Hey there, friends! Today, we're diving into the world of home staging, sharing some fantastic tips to help you sell your home quickly and for top dollar. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First off, decluttering is key. Put away anything that doesn't belong in each room, making the space look clean and spacious. It's essential to give potential buyers a clear visual of the space they could call home. Next up, curb appeal is everything. Spruce up your front yard with a fresh coat of paint if needed and add some potted plants around the door. For those with a lawn, mow the grass and consider trimming low-hanging branches from trees to brighten up the space. Now, let's talk about lighting. Brighten up dark corners with overhead lights or lamps for a cozy touch. And remember to keep all lights on during showings. It'll make a huge difference. When it comes to decorating, less is more. Remove family photos and personal items to allow buyers to imagine their own belongings in the space. Staging experts also suggest using no more than 2 colors per room for furniture and accessories. It creates a more streamlined look that buyers can easily envision themselves in. Lastly, consider professional staging for an extra boost if you have the budget. A professional will make your home look stunning for top dollar. And don't forget about smells. Invest in an air purifier or replace air filters before showings to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. So there you have it, folks. These tips will help you stage your home like a pro, increasing its appeal and helping you sell fast while making top dollar. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Happy staging!